Mutual Defense Treaty. Ang anumang pag-atake sa Pilipinas kasama ang Filipino Fisherman, Philippine Coast Guard, VFAR at Philippine Navy ay magre-resulta sa malawakang pag-atake ng US pabalik sa China. Yan ang isa sa dahilan bakit hanggang ngayon takot pa din ang China sakupin ang West Philippine Sea. Yan din ang muling pinanindigan ni US Pentagon Chief Pete Hegseth sa Shangri-La Defense Forum. Hanga nga ang Amerika sa tapang at pagigiit ng Pilipinas sa sarili netong teritoryo. Makakaasa raw ang Pilipinas ng suporta sa Amerika kung dadating ang oras na magkagulo at manakop na ang China.
Just a long-standing relationship between the United States and the Philippines, the Mutual Defense Treaty, ironclad partnership, and I want to applaud them for their courage and their clarity in the South China Sea, in a recognition of the challenges that we face, shoulder to shoulder. We want peace and stability in that region, and our partnership is central to that. So thank you for your time always, and look forward to speaking today.
Gaya ng paulit-ulit na sinasabi ng US at Pilipinas, hindi kami naghahamon ng gera dito o nag-uudyok ng gulo. Naghahanda lang kami, nagpapalakas dahil para saan ba ang military build-up ng China? E di para manakop, di ba? Yan ang papalagan at paghahandaan ng US at Pilipinas. Ang future war na gagawin ng China at posible nitong ideklara. Again, uulitin ko, hindi tayo ang unang aatake. Dedepensahan lang natin ang teritoryo nating binabalak nakawin ng China.
For whether China engages or not, all we know is that we're here, and we will be here, and we seek to further and establish peace through partnership with allies and partners in the region, but it also requires power and strength, which uniquely America can bring in pursuit of deterrence of conflict. We don't seek conflict with anybody. And that's important to emphasize. We're here to engage military to military, country to country. We can't account for whether or not China's here or not, but we're glad we are. And we think it makes the region more stable and more peaceful.
I'm glad you could ask us that question, but it's hard for their citizens to ask their government why they're not here. And that's the value with which we both stand here for, the ability to ask questions, to lead a free life, to have freedom of the press and other freedoms that we enjoy. No doubt.
Nagpasalamat naman si Secretary Gibo sa resback na pangako ng US. Palaki nga ng palaki ang defense cooperation ng US at Philippines. Di na ako magtataka kung madadagdagan pa ang mga missile system, air defense missile, mga fighter jet at bases ng US sa Pilipinas.
We will continue to enhance our bilateral and multilateral relationships, all with the vision of a free and open Indo-Pacific, and of course our shared interests in upholding a rules-based international order. The Philippines does seek peace, but in this instance, it is important to have a sustainable peace that is based on our own resilience and alliances with like-minded partners. Thank you very much, Secretary Hegseth.
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa patuloy na commitment ng Estados Unidos na dedepensahan daw nila tayo kung magkakagera? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.